Hi guys, very good morning, very good morning. So first of all, and happy Mahashivratri today. The people are the celebrating and this festival, and every year's has been celebrated in India. So because actually I am so full, I am feeling full energetic. So because actually I have been thinking since morning because actually I will make video today. So because actually and these days actually I am practice English and I want to improve my English. So because actually today is a very happy and please actually first of all the most welcome in this blog because actually I am very excited and today so I would like to say to all because actually weather to actually the cloud in the sky actually uh, might rain today. So because actually sunrise not properly and today and now. So because actually I'm very excited, I'm full energetic. So because actually I have come outdoors. So because actually I am learning English and I want to improve my English journey. So because guys join this channel. So because actually I am learning these days and practice and actually making video blog and everything in English. So guys, if you want to learn English, please join this channel. So because actually I get up early in the mornings around 6 a.m. Then I went for the outdoor. So because actually practice English and these days because actually improving my English and these days actually I have promise myself because actually I will make video on YouTube in English. So because actually that time my English is very weak and that time because actually I am making video and these days improving. Actually I'm very excited. Actually I was battling the typhoid totally in the 20 days because actually I did not make any video that and because uh, I have many responsibility and I have to the cares, family and earnings money in on job and 12 hours because actually many responsibility I have. So because actually I did not get time more for making video. As soon as get chance for making videos, so I will make an every day. So because actually this time, so because actually I breakfast today, I made the breakfast, and then actually I'm bomb water drinks around 1 liter every morning. So because actually you can see in the swelling my eye and I injured my eye area. So because and this time actually I am not looking properly and this time. So because ladies and gentlemen, please join this channel and who peoples want to learn English. So please improve. So guys, I want to say that because actually you want to improve your English, the first of all guys practice. You have to practice and every day around 30 minutes regular. So because actually when I started my English that time, so actually that time anyone is not supported because actually I was alone that time. Actually when I started my English, so because actually I was not able to speak and properly. Actually while speaking English, suddenly I stuck. Actually everything is lost my mind. So because actually gradually I have determined I will speak, I will improve and English vocabularies, grammar. So and these are the very complicated and don't think grammar and whatever you have vocabularies, grammar, and you should practice English every day because actually improve your English, I hope. But actually full energetics and you should get up early in the morning and please go outdoor and alone place there is no any disturb you, and you can practice. Because guys, actually I am not teacher, but actually I am simple man. Actually my English is very very bad. Do you know, my English is not as good for you, but even then actually I am practice English and this channel. Because actually that time actually I am not able to speak anything else, and suddenly stuck when I started. But and this time actually I practice every day, and uh, actually I recovers new vocabularies, grammars. So gradually, do you know that actually I am full energetic. Because actually I was very sick and 20 days, because actually I did not practice more time. Because actually I don't have more time for the making video. Because actually I have many responsibility and care family, earning money and everything that. Because so, do you know about me, guys? This is my simple man. Because actually I'm blogging, and these days actually I'm making video on blogging channel and English channel. And this is actually I'm practice in every day. Because actually vocabularies and fruits, actually I will eat the food and breakfast and every morning. And for examples, pomegranates, apple, carrot, cabbage, and gooseberry, and lemon, and actually these days actually I'm eating and this food and these fruits, and these are very good for health, and you should practice and you should eat and every day. Because actually doctor told me, and please remove your mind and junk food. Actually we should not eat junk food outdoor. The totally the oily, spicy and everything that is the junk food is very bad for health, and we should not eat and everything. Because actually I have left all is these. Because actually I eat only the homemade food and every day. Because actually and this time and very very full energetic, and my confidence is very very increased a lots in my future. Because actually I have determined, actually I'm walking here every day. Because actually every morning I get up early in the morning around 6 a.m. Actually I'm walking, I am running, and this is roof, and you can see this is the roof is very long. So all around running, and for health, and full energetic, and actually I'm full confident. But actually I am making this video on this time because actually I am improving my English. Guys, please, actually I want to humble request, please join this channel. Because actually you haven't subscribed this channel, please guys subscribe this channels for the English. I know that. So do you know they speak English and increasing vocabularies, grammar, and these days. Because actually I'm making video on everything in that. Actually I have whatever I have experience, I will share in this video. Please guys join this channel. And do you know English and grammars, and you should practice an everyday mornings. Because actually as I like to, actually I get up early in the morning, and actually I'm practice and every day. So guys, that is the most important, guys, practice only, right? And you should read newspaper. Newspaper is a very needful for you and increase your vocabularies and grammar, right? Got it? I hope that and you are understand, and this my suggestion. So please actually making video and blogging and this channel and in English, please join. Actually I am not teacher guys, because actually I am friend only, okay, right? Please join these channels. Because actually I'm working, so my time is overall completed. Actually I am going to my due to time. So guys, we will meet you the next video. Bye and take care. I love you. The before actually happy Mahashivratri today. and please celebrate it under worship and with family and offering to God today. The Jai Maha Bholinath and Jai Shiv Shankar. Bye bye guys. Love you. Bye bye. Take care. We will be the next video soon. Right. Got it. Bye bye.